Agora à tarde vai ter o passeio no barco pelo rio, olhando toda a parte da arquitetura desses prédios aqui que realmente impressiona, né? Fantástico. Vamos lá.
All right, everybody. You guys ready for a boat ride today? What do you say?
Hey!
Good response. Nicely done. My name is Spiro. That's me. Lifelong Chicago native, born and raised here. I've been giving tours here for about 10 years. I tell you that so you know you're in good hands here today. I'll be telling you about the history of Chicago on our tour. Had a great time with you. Now, as we dock the boat, a little bit of housekeeping. First of all, take a look around you. Make sure you grab all your stuff. We don't want you to forget anything on the boat. If there's any trash around you, we ask that you drop it off at one of the garbage cans on the way out. We thank you in advance for that.